This chrome-look trumpet produces a loud, powerful sound. Constructed of metal to ensure maximum strength and durability with a front pedestal that eliminates vibration at high speeds or on rough roads. The front of the trumpet is equipped with an amber light which can be wired to turn on with your vehicle's running lights or every time a horn is activated. Horn comes with a 12-volt solenoid, weather protection cover, hose and mounting hardware. An onboard air system is required for operation. Ideal for semi-trucks, and all vehicles with a 12-volt system.